y'all, today I'm going to be working on some of my portrait bust planters. I never know what to call them. And I'm going to be filling them with some succulents that I got recently from Kroger. If you have Kroger around you, it is a supermarket, grocery store. And they had a 10 for 10 deal and I bought 64. Now, I didn't keep all 64 for myself. I made 32 of them to my mother because she loves to do succulent projects. And so I kept 32 for myself, and I'm excited to get these planters started. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. Do you like to grow succulents? It's kind of a love-hate relationship with a lot of them. A lot of people either just absolutely love them, just swear by them, or other people just hate them and kill them all the time. I'm a person who loves them, but I totally kill them all the time. I just forget to bring them in during the winter, and that's really where I end up having an issue. I love them because they prefer to be ignored. They don't want to be watered all the time. They like to have, their independence. They don't want to be bothered. Let's get started. Okay, I have a couple of new containers here. This one does not have a hole in it, but I'm not going to be heavy watering these succulent designs, so I'm not really worried about that either. This one does not have a hole either, but you just really have to be like conscious about how much you're watering them. So I'm really excited to fill these in with some succulents. I'm going to see how many I end up utilizing in these, and then if I have enough left over, I have one more kind of like sculpture bust planter that I can also fill in. And then let me show you the succulents over here. So I have a wide variety of succulents. These were all 10 for $1 at Kroger's. So awesome deal. Got a wide variety. These happen to bloom, which I think is super cool. So I'm super excited to get these started. I'm going to be utilizing a cactus potting mix. I just picked this up from Home Depot, and this is really good because it's good drainage. You can certainly try to use a regular potting mix, but I do highly suggest if you have it available, go ahead and get a cactus potting mix. If you don't have that available, you can always mix in some sand to regular potting mix to allow it to drain better. But let's go ahead and get started. I think this is going to be a super fun project. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video with the succulents into the planter heads, I guess, sculptural bust heads things. I think it's a really fun, quirky project. I love quirky things in my garden. I think it just keeps everything kind of loose and chill and relaxing and fun and stuff like that. So I always love to have elements like that. As always, she's Mad Gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.